We talk about XRP, the plan, and how to be successful for the rest of the year in this video. That's right, it is. If you hear that I'm going to show you the charts, facts, and figures about the price of XRP going forward, you may be like a rip and scream, kick, yell, and hate me. You may also unfollow me. I like it now that I think about it. Have something to look forward to. Don't forget that this is the PTH for 2024. 2,433 Bitcoins cost $2,433. At this time, it's not available. 1.7% less than the day before. The value of Ethereum is $3,001. It can only go up or down. Please forgive me. 2.16% of the US dollar is coming into the market as SRP. The US dollar and the US dollar center both paid for this XRP. It's so dull and unattractive that it makes me sick. It's not up, 2.38% in the past 24 hours. The value of all cryptocurrencies on the market is $2 trillion, which is $337 billion. XRP is worth 52 cents right now, and J bidding is worth 31 cents. What's next? I can help you, but just in case you don't know, this is my NFT project, and I'm really happy with it. I finished 208 NFT in just 6 days. About sales, you already know what I know. A lot of people are part of this important historical moment. Our project is the biggest one on the web. According to new data from YouTube, the XRP ledger was watched for more than 1.5 million minutes last month. We want to thank all of you because this is truly amazing. If you want to get an NFT or get your XRP back, please click like and subscribe. There is only one day left, June 1st or today if you wish. From now until 2025, the dates will stay September 1st, October 1st, November 1st, December 1st, and so on. That doesn't matter. As long as you keep them, you'll keep getting more peaks every month. Forget that we're selling them straight to you and the price is much higher. As soon as possible, please let us know if you want to stop working on the project or not worry about it. Get out there and sell your NFT to make even more cash. Our project is the only one. You should already know about the posted XRP record since you're new. These new projects told everyone that they have something amazing coming up. Please give me a job that fits in an NFT. It's been 18 months since you last put up those numbers. You just can't keep doing that. It's crazy. We agreed to give you more than $58,000 in credit card XRP on top of what you should own. Make certain that at least one NFT is correct. A lot of people are now holding on. Carolina Keith has a lot of respect. He is one of the smartest people on the space service team, but he is not the right person for the job. He's been calling a lot of things. I had seen what he tweeted before August 18th. He called for the bull market, the bull run, and the way we should go about a year ago in 2023. He said, I got this. It was perfect what I did. I have a few. He sent me some new maps and numbers, and we talked about everything in our Discord chat yesterday. Make sure you do what he says. Besides trading XRP, he often puts on free Tay shows. I think things are going in this way, but since we're back, it's not an exact change from his previous recurring price moves. The blue or red lines, which we've already shown twice, should be tested. That's important to remember sometimes. A falling wedge that breaks north will finally follow the trend line, letting you know it's time to move forward. Usually it takes 3 to 6 months for things to start moving. Like the other fractals, the one I added at the end is. I think it will work out, but I'm not sure yet. Pay close attention to the green boxes. Think about profit boxes that cost between $350 and $450 plus about $6 with a blow off top. This number is way too optimistic. Prices for people range from $4 to $25. This is pretty much what happened. Here is his little plan as promised. People are really rude. This graph shows the whole market for cryptocurrencies. Why do we want to reach the end of the year? $4.4 trillion is what he wants. Strange Brad Jinghouse had about $5 trillion in assets. Does this mean that the bull run will end when Keith hits the 1.27 Fibonacci level by the end of the year? Our trip doesn't end at the end of 2024, it just starts then. People, we're only just beginning. So by the end of this year, about $4.5 trillion. What does that mean? As I've already said, it means that I think the bottom is below if they don't end it. It's getting pretty close to being in because these markets will quickly go up and these prices will never be seen again. This red line must be crossed. Even though I skipped a month, September feels like November. We'll say that we have to cross this red line and go back to November 2016 between September and November. What happened? We quickly added a space after crossing this red line. We were now in the middle of things. The bull has already run where the purple line is. We need to cross it and come back. During the last bull period, which ended in 2021, XRP made a lot of progress. We blew up over that red line like a rocket, and everyone knows what happened next. Where are we now? Framer, what do we see as we move below it? We saw a similar falling trend on this red line right before XRP took off. What are we getting ready for? What is the red line above the one in US dollars? That should get us where we need to go. Thank you for asking about $75, which is the same amount I've been pushing for. Additionally, we need to gather an extra 75 cents and keep them. In September, we'll say that Q3 starts in Q4. The time frame is September's Q3, right? You might be surprised to learn that Q3 will be 75 to $1 by the end of September. It will be very hard to handle if that doesn't happen. I don't want to be the one who causes those problems. However, I am sure it will happen. Yes, people, and we must keep this red line above it until the end of the year. It's finally here. 2012 will be a great year for all of us. We need that purple line. We need to move forward at this point. Let's figure out how much XRP would have to go up to break through that $3 trillion mark if the cryptocurrency market does hit that level by September. Does that simply mean that we will cross this line if the market value of XRP hits $45 billion? This will put us back on top with 1.65% from July 2016. This is shown on a chart I have. We reached 6% at that point. A control of 6% would take away about $6 from XRP, giving it a score of 786. Fib 886, there are possible targets. The market value of XRP will be $50 billion, which is right between the 68th and 71st Fibonacci levels. What does that mean for the price? At the moment, the price is at the $618 Fibonacci mark, which is about $1. All of this was possible by the $3 trillion that was put into the coin market from September to November. If something like this happens, we should look into it very carefully. I really believe that we can get through this. The red line shows that by the end of the year, we will have passed the 75-cent mark and kept it getting closer to the 95-cent to dollar mark. We could see that blow off top. At the very least, it would cost around $14 to $17.